What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your windshield wipers on a Nissan Altima. This happens to be a 2017 model, but it's probably the same for about the 14, 15, 16, 17. All you want to do is basically pick your windshield wipers up like this, and then if you look at the part that actually touches your window, you could pull it out like that, and once you do that, you'll see like a little piece right here you could push in. You want to push that piece in and pull it down like that. And once you do that, your windshield wiper will come off. Then you take your new windshield wipers the same basic way. Just kind of put it up underneath that little hook and then push up on it like, yeah, take it, push up like that, and your windshield wipers will be on. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a Nissan Altima. This happens to be a 2017 model, but it's probably the same for about the 14, 15, 16, 17, and even possibly the 18. All right, folks, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks.